I thought you have the other one.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this maybe.
It's
Because
soft. It look like
this is what I
comfortable.
had in my other shoes, and my feet was okay in England. I want to try maybe this is better than this other. My feet not hurt like that. No, I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about the feet. This is quite neat. And this is working also, you know. I just need some TLC massage.
I hear that, Jack.
Maybe somebody give you this lab.
Mhm.
Your shoes is clean, right? Your sneakers?
Yeah.
Hmm?
It's
You?
outside. It's
Huh?
okay. It is in here. It's okay.